Let me show you how you can install Spotify on your smart TV, and then I'll walk you through how to pair it with your phone. So pairing it on your phone would enable you to select the music you want to listen to, even though you are doing it on your phone, but then the audio will be channeled through your smart TV. It's very simple. So without wasting much time, let's navigate to applications. So from applications, you scroll down to this side where we have group content. So we have music and radio, we have apps, we have news and weather, we have smart life. Spotify is grouped under music and radio. We will select music and radio. You go through the apps and select Spotify. So you click on it. This page will open for you to install the application. I'll click on install application. Yes, so I have Spotify installed now. I'm going to add it to my home button. So now if I go to my home screen, when I press on the home button on the remote, I can find Spotify here in my apps gallery. So I will navigate it to Spotify and then open it. Great. So now that we have Spotify installed, we are going to pair it with our phone. We have login here. So if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and click on sign up for free to create an account. But then if you have an account on your phone already, you can, or if you have the app installed on your phone, you can click on the login to log in from your phone. We have two options, okay, to pair it with our phone. It's either you make sure that you're on the same network, then you play the music on your phone. So I'm going to do that. So I have Spotify here, and if you want to play the music, you see we have this icon, okay, the play sound icon. You just click on it and you see your smart TV name under. So if you select your smart TV, once you select your smart TV, you see it's connected already. So you can play the music right from your phone, but then the audio will be channeled through the smart TV.